What's up, guys? So we're at the Pilot here in Chillicothe, Ohio. Had big plans this weekend. Thought the KTM Factory Edition was going to be in. It didn't make it. So instead of going south, we just decided to stay around here. It's going to be 75 degrees and hit East Fork, which is only a couple hours away from our home base. So last night, loaded up the truck here. Then I unloaded the truck because we said screw it, and we brought the whole camper. So it's not that much gas mileage difference in this 2500 HD. And with Krista being pregnant, Weston being 3, it's just way easier to bring the camper since we don't have a box trailer anymore. It's way easier to bring the camper than it is to try to pack through, 3 bikes and a Stasic and everything we need in the back of this truck and load it at the end of the day when I'm really tired. So yeah, still can't eat inside at the Wendy's here, which is awesome. So I just took this truck and trailer through the drive-through, and they're in the camper eating. I'm gonna get some fuel, and we're headed to the track, hoping for a great day. All right, guys, we made it to the track. They started practice about 20 minutes early, so I'm gonna go check that out. I've ridden some trails and stuff, but it's been a few months since I've ridden on a prep moto track, so I'm gonna take it easy, see what we can do. Got a good parking spot right here in front of the kids' bike, or kids track, so Weston can ride his bike. So gonna be pretty cool. Should be a good day. Let's go check it out. We gotta get that bike off the track. Justice out here in speed practice. Weston's a little freaked out. He's never been on a track with this many other bikes at one time. We're trying to get him used to it. Ready? Go! Good job! Go, 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 go! Good job, put that foot up! Go, 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 give it some gas! He's doing great, guys. Sometimes he gets a line of people behind him, coming around passing him, but he's not letting it get to him. This is his first time on a track like this with all these bikes. And he's overcoming his fear. I'm super proud of him. I remember how nervous I was my first time getting on a track like this. And it wasn't 3 years old either, so I want you to know I'm super proud of you, son. Alright guys, I was afraid of this, but unfortunately, this is second AB practice. So it's the first practice of the second round, and it's already an absolute dust bowl, man. And this is why, you know, people always complain when you go to a big, really well-prepped track, something like Muddy Creek or something like that, High Point. They always want to know why it's so freaking muddy in the first and second practices. Guys, because if it's not, it's like this by the second round of practice. It just kind of stinks. All right, y'all, we're headed out for session 2. It's already a dust bowl. Make the best of it. This is never good, guys. They said that somebody was riding in AB practice who shouldn't have been. He crashed or got landed on and got ran over. Thoughts and prayers with the kid for sure. Hey. You got to ride a ton today. Did you have fun? You think you got better? Yeah. Oh, watch the door. What was your favorite part? What was your favorite part about East Fork?
The jumps.
The jumps?
Yes, but not the rough stuff.
Not the rough stuff. You like the smooth? Yeah. Awesome, man. Well, I'm proud of you. Give me 5.